Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a common problem that many developers face when working with AzureAD EntraID and Blazor-webassembly applications. The problem we're addressing today involves the inclusion of application roles from the identity token into the downstream token on the backend side of the application. Let's dive into the solution for this issue. To ensure that the app roles are included in the access token, you need to follow these steps. First, you'll need to expose an API in the Microsoft EntraID application and add a scope. Next, create an app role and grant API permissions accordingly. You should also assign a user to this app role within the enterprise application. Lastly, when generating tokens for the API, make sure to include the specified parameters for the token request. In summary, by following the steps outlined and generating the token for the correct application where the roles are created, you'll be able to include the roles claim in the access token successfully. If you encounter any issues, double-check that you're generating the token for the right application, have exposed the API and added the scope, and verified that the user is assigned with the necessary role. Problem solved. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!